What is up guys, it is me, One Sean, back here with another Lego candy machine. So first let's have the 360-degree view as usual. For the sticker I just cut it off the actual Tic Tac packet. You can do the same by peeling it off. And basically the coin bank is here. This part I had to hide because the mechanism wouldn't work. And I might do a tutorial on this, I am not sure, depending on how many subscribers I get. So please like and hit the notification button and subscribe for more Lego candy machines like this. So let's get into it. You put the coin in and the coin thingy comes out. And you have to reload manually like this. And then you put it in and then you put this in. Then we get another coin. Okay, so you put the coin in and it comes out. And most of the time this Tic Tac comes out. Sometimes you do have to bang it a bit, but other than that it's fine. So now for the mechanism. So the Tic Tac is usually located here, and this thing here, it's basically blocking the candy. What happens when a coin comes in, it lifts the bar up, which helps the thing here to go down. So like that. Then it comes out here. So that is it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more Lego candy machines. And if we get to 10 subscribers by, let's say, 10 days, I'll make the tutorial for this candy machine. Okay, bye.